What's up, y'all? It's Mariah Elise and I am back with another quick install. Today we are doing a 4x4 blunt bob cut for the summer. I did bleach and pluck the lace to give it a more sharp part for this look. I'm going in with the Arcani edge control. It's not the best, but it did the job, especially because I'm only going to do like a half bald cap method type of thing because this is only a 4x4 closure. This is made to be beginner friendly for wigs and for installation techniques. So I'm not going to go too into detail. It just kind of give you a quick overview of what I usually do with the ball cap. I go in with my Even Wonder Lace spray and spray down the hairline. For this, like, I'm doing a casual spray over the whole thing, but it's really just that middle part that I'm going over with a comb that's going to be sticking for the purpose of the wig. I use the cool setting to get the cap to stick to my head, and then once it's time to actually install the wig, I usually use the warm setting or the hot setting to make it tacky. So the key to have a good scalp foundation underneath your wig is to tint your wig cap as well as melt your cap best to your skin. I'm going in with the Black Radiance True Complexion palette with the middle palette swatch. I don't even know what to call it, but it's a cream foundation basically, or a cream contour, and I tint the lace as well as tint my cap. Since the wig is a 4x4 closure, I'm not going to be too picky about how I'm going to cut the cap. As you can see, I didn't even do ear holes. So what's most important to me is that I cut closest to the sprayed hairline from like the eyebrow, from eyebrow to eyebrow basically. That's basically the frame of a 4x4, and the rest I just kind of cut because the wig is going to cover it. I'm using the Ghost Bond XL waterproof glue. I feel like it just, right now, it's the glue that's giving me the most clear and seamless melt. And as previously mentioned, I go over with the blow dryer on a warm to hot setting to make the glue tacky so the lace will stick. Alright, wig is melted onto my hair. I'm loving this middle part. I was able to do this blunt cut off on the mannequin's head, but once it was on my head, I wanted to make it shorter and even more blunt, so you'll see me going with shears trying to get that together. But this is basically the final look. Call me Bobbiana. This is my blunt bob. I was really like thinking, dang, do I want to do an asymmetrical next time? But I was just really liking the short, blunt, Helga looking, what's the character off of Incredibles? That the designer lady, that's what it was giving, and I was loving it, just minus the bangs. Now, you can't do a straight blunt bob without using your hot comb. Like, you just can't. So I put my hot comb on the warmest setting. I used my wax stick, went over the top part from the roots, and I'm basically pressing out the roots as best as possible. Like, I want them flat. I want this bone straight. I'm not bumping the ends. It's just a straight blunt cut. And I feel like the hair wax is giving it the shine that it needs. So like it's really getting pressed. And I'm not trying to toot my horn, but I really think I plucked that middle part. Like, it is doing what I want it to. It's looking very neat and clean because I'm going through it with the hot comb. All right, that's it. This is the end. Again, here's a close-up of the scalp. It's really giving. This is the final touches. I hope you enjoyed this video. Get into the bob or whatever, and I will see y'all in the next wig review.